हाय दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। ओह व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, द सन इज शाइनिंग, अ ब्रीज इन blowing, birds are chirping, flowers are blooming. Oh what a beautiful day. Sheru enters with sheep. Chorus 1. That too, it is Sheru with his sheep. Sheru doesn't look happy. What song, Sheru? I don't like my job. Every day is the same. Take the sheep, go to the hill and sit here all the day. I get so bored. Why don't you play the sing song? I don't like songs. Why don't you play the flute? I don't like music. Why don't you read a book? I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today I'm going to have fun. Just see what I do. Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help! Please help! Don't worry, Sheru. Well, drive the wolf away. Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha! There's no wolf. I was shouting just for the fun. You silly boy! This is no fun. Don't do it again. Sheru, don't be silly. Don't cry wolf for fun again. How I tricked the man, ha ha ha. How fooled them, ha 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 ha. I want to it again. Oh ha ha ha. Wolf, wolf, help, help. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please come, please help. Wolf, wolf. What happened? Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha. Fool, you again? But there's no wolf. But it's so much fun. Ha ha ha. You stupid boy. We don't listen to again. We won't come again even if you cry. The men are angry. They won't listen to Sheru again. Even if Sheru cries, they won't come again. But what's this? It's a wolf, a real wolf, a real big bad wolf. Now, what will Sheru do? Oh, oh no, wolf, go away, wolf, don't come near my sheep. Don't touch my sheep. Help, help, the wolf is taking my sheep away. Help, help. No listen to Sheru.